welcome to the StarCraft Lab. My name is Sarah and this is
Jessie.
And we are excited to talk to you today about a new product that we've launched.
And this new product is our StarCraft Transfer Tape.
So this transfer tape is a clear transfer tape. It's basically a universal product. I mean, it is excellent for your permanent adhesive vinyls that are out there on the market, like our StarCraft HD. And that comes both in glossy and matte finish. So you can use this for those smooth, glossy, or matte finish vinyls that are out there, as well as our StarCraft SD, which is our removable adhesive vinyl.
Yes.
But again, you can use them with our other types of vinyls too. So like our brushed metallics, our StarCraft Magic, and our Illusion, all those different ones. So it is great for those projects.
And this product is non-yellowing, and the texture allows the air pockets to be easily removed out of your projects.
And nobody likes those air bubbles in their projects,
No,
so
don't.
it is excellent for that. So there's kind of like a texture on this transfer tape, and you can just work that air right
it
out.
lays flat and smooth on your products.
And another thing with that too is that it's excellent for your wet method, so transfer. So if you've ever done some of those decals, it's usually done on glass or like the back of like vehicle windows and stuff like that, where you spray the surface. There's lots of tutorials out there for that. You can look one of those up. But this is great and can be used with the wet transfer method as well. So let's go ahead and just show you how to use this transfer tape.
Perfect.
So I've got some pre-cut little sections of the transfer tape here. I'm just gonna stick that to the edge of my table. And I'm using a black permanent adhesive, our StarCraft HD vinyl.
And I am using the skull face image on HD matte.
And I'm gonna stick this to a plastic surface.
And I'll be using a ceramic mug.
Awesome sauce. So I'm gonna stick this right here to the edge of my work surface. Just kind of work that down a little bit just to give it some stick. And then I'm gonna slide my project right up to the edge of that transfer tape and overlap it just a little bit. Kind of hold it in place as I work down the transfer tape with my squeegee. And I'm just gonna work that air right out. And this is kind of a little bit more of an intricate image. This design, his little spider legs are kind of small and detailed. So I'm just gonna kind of go through and kind of work those down just a little bit more than I would just like a big solid image or something like that. So, and then I'm gonna take this and peel my image up. And what's great about this transparent or the clear transfer tape is you can see straight down through to your project, and I can see to line it up nice and even. So I'm gonna lay this down, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of stick my edge on there. I don't wanna just push all my graphic image, my little cut image down, because it might get air bubbles. It's nice to be able to take that textured surface and just kind of work that air right out of your project. And this does have like a little bit of a curve to it too. So you can see that transfer tape is just conforming really nice to that curved edge.
With no curling or toning.
Right. Oh, that's looking so cute, Jessie. All right. And then I'm gonna take the transfer tape and just peel it flat back against itself. And you know, this came off nice and clean, but if you have any little edges that stick, just lay your transfer tape back down. You can always lay it back down, it's not gonna hurt anything. And just kind of squeegee that and work it down. If it peeled up a little bit, you can go slow, especially with something that's a little bit more intricate like this, but you can see how nice that laid down.
Really nice.
So this is the clear transfer tape and how you use it. You can see how well that turned out on both a plastic and a ceramic surface. And thank you for joining us today as we use the new StarCraft Transfer Tape. And make sure to go onto our Facebook page, like and follow, and join our Facebook group, which is StarCraft Crafting with Cricut and Silhouette. So until next time, bye.
Bye.